Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how value error could not convert string to float, ABC. This error occurs when you try to convert a string to a float, but the string is not a valid representation of a float. In this case, the string, ABC, cannot be converted to a float. Here is an example of how this error can occur in Python. When you run code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the string you are trying to convert to a float is a valid representation of a float. For example, you can use the isNumeric method to check if a string contains only numeric characters before attempting to convert it to a float. Let's run this code. Here is the output. This will catch the value error exception and print an error message instead of crashing your program.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.